walking on this shit. Look at over here. Somebody done threw a... Oh no, that's a barrel. I'm about to say they got car engines and shit back here. But I don't think that's it. What?
The tree from Miami. Oh, I love the woods. I loved it when I was a kid, and you know, now I'm exploring it again.
Yeah.
Could did when I was a kid. That's was too lazy. That's when I've been out here.
Yeah. Why you gotta call her lazy? She would have been trucking with us. Calm down, you bugging. Remember, we on camera, man. Can't say anything, man.
It's a body back here. You know it's a body back here. You know.
No, it ain't. Don't say that. Hopefully it ain't.
You know it's a body. You know someone killed someone and put the body back here.
Hopefully not.
Stumble upon a head. Get court.
Trying to get away. Trying to stay away from the violence. Man, stop the violence out there, y'all. Life too precious, man. Go out there and breathe the air, man. Be happy to be here.
Like, look at this. Look at this.
Okay, oh, it is. There's somebody walking down there. You see him? They just walked across. I think this is part of the golf course.
This is literally Adam's neighborhood.
No, this not, though.
No, if you walk down, I've seen this trail before. At least Adam's neighborhood.
How? Well, we ain't never crossed the street, and he live on the other side of the street.
No, because woods. I don't know.
He live on the other side of the street. We never crossed the street yet.
I wonder where that goes. You want to go down there, or?
Nah.
You want
I seen somebody walking down there, and they looked like they was carrying golf shit.
Okay. We get deeper into the woods.
We might as well shoot back this way.
No, we should keep going.
Nah. Uh-oh, see this dude. See what people do? Yeah, we is. Look at these animal tracks. Look at, you see, look, right there. You can see how it's dug right there, right there, right there. Right there, look, right there.
Maybe we're going to find a fox.
Hell nah, them prints is kind of printed. Keep going though. Cause they gonna get you. Yeah, it's gonna get you. It's on you.
As long as you stay,
it's on you.
We're going to have to fall on the floor if we see a bear.
Hell no, we gonna fight that motherfucker.
What?
Hell yeah.
I mean, now, guys, that's an example of toxic masculinity right there. Fighting a bear, stupid masculinity.
Hell no, man. That bear better stay the fuck away, or he getting stabbed in the jugular. Straight up. I'm dropping him. Don't mess with me, I don't mess with you. That's how the rules go. Leave me alone, I leave you alone. If I'm messing with me, I'm gonna give you what you want. Ah, hell nah.
Yeah, we said that are here.
That's part of the first swamp we seen.
What?
Be careful. Watch out, watch out. That look like a big... Who knows? Cougar shit.
Ew.
Them prints over there looked like cougar prints. They looked like cat prints.
Come on.
Bobcat, cougar.
Come on. Let's go.
Could be a little ass bear.
Ew.
There, go right there. Look, he's scared.
No, I'm not.
He's scared, y'all.
I'm not. Go on, walk back and go.
Nah, you gotta watch where you step now. Since I seen that, you gonna step in a freshie.
We already walked. We already walked.
Yeah.
So if I step into, you step into.
You gonna step in a fresh pile of cougar doodle. Yo. About to step in some black bear shit. Yo. You could tell wherever that animal lived back here. You can see that. You could tell. Look at this. Like you could tell this looked messed with before we even stepped on it. Like something already came through rumbling.
Probably the thing that killed Bobby. Anyways.
I doubt it. I didn't know these woods was that thick back here though. Wait till all these leaves grow in. This thing, it's gonna be a jungle for real. Yeah, that's like 2-3 more weeks. All these leaves gonna be in here. It's gonna be crazy.
Sure the camera's still on?
Yeah.
Okay. On to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Ah, he bugging. He bugging on screen.
Starring Jim Crow.
Starring who? He bugging.
Jim Crow the Scarecrow. Wait, imagine if that was what's his name? Michael Jackson.
Ah, here go another swamp we gotta cross.
Ooh.
I ain't crossing this one.
Wait.
We sinking, stepping in quicksand. I ain't got the shoes for it. Still trucking with you. Cause that's what the father do. We truck to the end. You know? You got me out. You got me out here. Yeah. How you getting across this one? You gonna sink. And you got on your good shoes. And you don't even care because you don't buy them. That's the point. Yeah, waste my money, huh? Go fuck them up, huh? Oh, punk. Ty, don't fall in there, man. You trying to... Don't do it to the... Look at you. See, sinking. Get... And then once you jump over there, look at it. It's all mud. You about to jump into a whole pile of mud and sink more. You might as well fall back, man. Persistent little dude. Look at him. Look at him sinking.
I did it.
That was a nice one. Yeah, you fucked those up.
Yup. But I got past though.
But you had to get Raggedy to do it. That's the point. I don't want to get Raggedy to do it.
Come on.
You got to get Raggedy to do it. Through the woods. Look at this shit sinking already.
Yeah, don't go over there. Go through the woods onto that. Go onto that.
See, I should have worn my boots. You say you gonna wear those?
I thought that was just going like.
Yeah, I should have. I didn't know we was. Oh, look at no. I just look at that. Look at that big old footprint right there, sinking. Nah, Ty, nah. You. Yeah, I ain't about to get raggedy with you. This is where the road ends. This is where I gotta let you do what you gotta do as a man.
Yeah. All you have to do.
Yeah, get raggedy. You went that way and got raggedy.
Yeah, all you have to do.
Is get raggedy over there and then hop on that, get raggedy a little bit, and then over there with you. Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's that simple. You already got a little bit raggedy over there. Same thing happened to me. All you have to do is just yell again.
You know, it comes a time in a boy's life.
Where I became a man.
Yep.
And you became a punk.
Oh, you hit.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
You lost your ruggedness.
I'm not trucking through this in these shoes.
I'm not telling you to.
And I told you not to even truck in those.
Wait, I just.
Should pop you upside your head. Look at more animal shit on that. I see it. All the way from over here. For what though? You can see what's going on over there. Look it, it's a golf mound. I can see it from here.
Can I see it?
You can see the sand in the hill. You can't see that from here? You gonna mess up somebody's stroke and they gonna throw the club at you and we gonna have to whoop their ass, Ty. Go ahead, man. That's dope. See, you can see it. We might as well. We back this way. Now we might as well go the way we came.
If we just circle, we can circle back. You just get across that, we can circle back.
No, we could just go back this way. We could just go back this way.
But this is a circle.
You don't know where that path lead, boy. See, now you about to get raggedy again to get back over here. See, kids, man. That's why, yo, sometimes you just want to slap their ass. Don't listen. Yup, look at them bots. You about to get raggedy again. Where you gonna go from there? Yep, you gonna have to get raggedy. Step in the mud. Look, sink. I can see your shoe sinking mad in the mud. Look it, see? Look, see, you might as well just look it. You might as well just walk, just tread it through there, just how you did. You tried to be careful for nothing.
I tried.
This dude, man. This dude. Anyways, people. That's how I be trying to spend my time nowadays, man. My kids, man. Chasing the bag. Trying to be happy. Being around positive people, man, because this world is ugly, man. And people will drain you, man. People know how to drain you. And this world just so phony and fake. Nobody genuine. You know what I'm saying? Except a few people. You know, but other than that, man, it's like finding somebody genuine. It just seems like everybody got ulterior motives. You know, it's always some intentions. Instead of just being, you know, genuine, just, oh, you know, that's my peoples. Nowadays, it's like, oh, that's my peoples for a reason. It's because he could do this for me, or I'm getting this out of him. So I just try to stay away from people like that, man. We ain't building together. We ain't loving together. You might as well go your separate ways. Let me do me. I'll let you do you. You know? Ain't no hard feelings. This world is cold. So it ain't like, you know, it's ill wills, man. People gotta do what they gotta do. But, you know, you see what I'm doing.
Take a picture of me.
You know, I will. But I'm about to cut out. I don't want to make this video too long. Just, you know how Connecticut do, try to bring y'all back to something. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's been a minute. But, you know, this world, I'm out here grinding, man. You know, I try to, when I come at y'all from now on, I want to bring some type of content. You know, at least show y'all something. You know, it's getting warmer though, so hopefully these things will get better. But if you real, stay real, you know, and cut off the fake. You don't need that. No matter what they talking about, shit fake. You know what I'm saying? You know who real in the end. You know what I'm saying? Stay genuine. You know what I'm saying? And show love. It costs nothing to show a little love. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the real ones, man. This Hartford County, man. Shout out to Hartford, all of Hartford. You know what I'm saying? Shout out all the CT. You know what I mean? What you got something to say? Tickle.
Just don't let anyone change who you are. Just
Okay.
be you for the most part, and life goes on.
Your shoes smelling real swampy right now.
Wow.
One love, Hartford. Connecticut dude.